Here's how to create a website on Bluehost in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this easy step-by-step guide how you can set up your own website on Bluehost quickly, even if you've never built one before, and get it live without confusion. Start by going to the Bluehost website and choosing a hosting plan. Select the option that fits your needs and continue. Next, pick a domain name. This will be your website's address, if you already have one connected. If not, create a new name that matches your brand or idea. After that, create your account and finish the sign-up process. Once payment and setup are complete, Bluehost will take you to your dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your website. From the dashboard, choose the option to create a new site. Bluehost usually guides you through the process automatically. Select WordPress when prompted. It installs in the background and prepares your website without requiring technical steps. When the installation finishes, log into your WordPress site. You'll now see the main control panel where you can design and manage your pages. Start by choosing a theme. This controls how your site looks. Pick one that matches your purpose, whether it's for a blog, business, or personal use. Next, create your first pages. Most sites begin with a home page, about page, and contact page. Use the editor to add text, images, and basic details. Keep it simple at first. You can always improve it later. After that, check your site preview to see how it looks. Make sure links work and content is easy to read. Once you're satisfied, publish your pages. Your website is now live and accessible through your domain name. If something feels off, return to the dashboard and adjust your theme, layout, or content. Bluehost and WordPress make it easy to update your site anytime. Creating a website on Bluehost is mainly about choosing hosting, setting a domain, installing WordPress, picking a design, and publishing your pages. Once those steps are done, you have a working website that you can grow and improve over time without starting from scratch.